Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP 500 index fund prediction, and the Dxy Marketwatch. So, welcome back again, my friend. So, if you are interested and you are new to this channel, also we put in every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin, the SP 500, and the Dxy. So, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. It's very easy, my friend, to join us. Just click at the red button, subscribe, and next to it, that bell, turn it to all. And like that, you're going to benefit from all our analysis free, my friend. And every time on us we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. And you can even join our Telegram channel. You find it in the first comment. So when we put in a new video, we put it there. So you're going to find it there. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see, my friend, here, what did I told you about that candle here before? I told you it's a nice pin bar, but the price it came till here, till the level where I told you here. I told you it's going to come till that 50% of that red candle here. If you remember our analysis that 2 days or 3 days ago, I told you it's going to come till here, and that's what it did. Now I think, my friend, is going to fall down because the coming news tomorrow is going to be the GDP of USA. It's going to see it, my friend. As you see it, my friend, tomorrow, 25 here, is going to be at 12:30, the GDP of USA. Then at 2 o'clock, that Jackson Hole Forum. Then in Friday, we are going to wait in what that Fed Chair Powell, what he going to say. So make a close attention about those things, my friend. So I think now we are going to run for down, my friend. Let's go back to the chart to explain to you more. Here we are, my friend, in the chart. Here in the chart, I think let's bring in our tool and we bring it from here till that level here. So now the Bitcoin, my friend, is going to drop. Let's draw it again here to show you those levels. The Bitcoin is going to drop till here, my friend, till that zone here. As you see it, let's put inside it by another color. Let's put it like that, red, how it is now. That's it. Let's delta in that Fibo now. So the Bitcoin now, my friend, is going to go till here, till that zone here of 19,866.09 here, my friend. And when it's going to go there, that man is going to break for us. That one, my friend, that flag us we used to have. And that one is the baddest thing, my friend. And if you remember, also we put in here those analysis, my friend. We said that level here. We got a level here and we got another one down. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend. Let's hope that Jerome Powell is going to say something positive to drive the market up. Because if it's falling down and breaking for us that lower of the channel is another story, my friend. Oh, I don't know. I don't have nothing to say, my friend. But the only things I can tell you now. Because even if you go to the weekly I show you before in the start of the week, and I'm going to update you every start of the week about the weekly, my friend. The weekly also we break the 200 moving average down. That's when also we are going down, my friend. And here the market is very, very flat now. They try to give you here a small, here in that zone, a small flag, my friend, like that. In the 4 hours you're going to see it very clear. So you're going to bring that one from here. When it's going to break in, you bring it till here. It's going to drop till that level where also we said. So that for the people they like to enter short in cryptocurrency and those things, they can enter in it. Because till now it's showing it's going to fall down, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, it go back inside that level. But it's showing there a weakness. It couldn't break in the top. And even the candle that came today, it's showing an indecision candle. So now let's see if it's breaking for us, that one. We are going here to the oversold area. But if it's going upward, my friend, we are going to say everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, is very close here to the oversold area. I think it's going to fall down till the oversold area zone. So make a close eye at that indicator. By the way, that indicator, to get it, you go to one video here in the channel. The name of the video, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. And the description of that video, you're going to find a link to download the code source of that indicator. you open it and you go to the pen editor in TradingView and you paste it there. Then you add it to your chart. Don't change nothing in the setting, my friend, to get that view as we have here. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's go into the SP 500 index fund to analyze it for you, my friend, to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Here we are, my friend, at that one, at the SP 500. As you see, I tell it to you before, he touched here that zone or that 200 moving average. Then here it's showing at that level here a weakness, or he tried to reject there, but there is no power, my friend. Let me show it to you. Zoom it like that. As you see, my friend, the previous day candle, it came like a big pin bar. That one, it couldn't. There is big push in down, my friend. I think the SP is going to fall down till that level here, my friend. That one I tell it to you before. So the levels we got, my friend, that one where we are now is 41.29. That one here is 39.04. And the last one, that one here, is 36.97, my friend. Now I think, my friend, the SP, there is one of two scenarios, depending on Jerome Powell, what he's going to say. But no matter what he's saying, the market is falling, my friend. So I think even if we make here a small correction, but we are going to go lower to here. So for the stock market traders, my friend, be careful those days, to everyone investing in the stock market. Be careful those days. Stock market is heading for another crash. Yes, we run all that run going high, but now we are headed to a new crash. We don't know where it's going to end up, but that's what the market telling us till now. So let's go into lower time frames to explain to you what is it there, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as I tell it to you before, it's showing here at that level a rejection, but there is not big power try to push up. And let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, here in the 4 hours, every time he tried to cross up, they came those big pin bars, they pushing down. But you need to make a close eye at the 200 moving average. As you see last time when he came to it, how many times stay here struggling. So till now, you got here that level. And I think it's going to drop till it will touch in here the 200 moving average. Then we see what the market going to do. So if you are a stock market trader or a stock market investor and you want to invest in the right time to enter in the stock market, you can join us and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates. Also, we put in 2 videos every day analyzing the SP 500, my friend. So, and that one is the major index of US stock market. Yes, I know there is Nasdaq and those things, but that one is the best 500 companies in USA. And over here is the major companies. So you need to make a close attention at that one. If the stock market is falling, that one is falling. If the stock market is going up, that one is going up. So I think now we are going to go lower, my friend. Maybe as I tell it to you here. Or maybe it's going to go till that level. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friends, as you see it here, it's become here at the overbought area. And now it's going down. Let's see what's going to do. Maybe it's going to drop till here, till the oversold area. Maybe not, because here, if you make a close eye here at that zone, it's a very stronger zone. Every time he came to it, the price like that, like here, it bounced. So let's hope now from here it's going to bounce up. Everything is too clear, my friend. I try to be very fast for not making that video too long. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to show you more. Here in 1 hour, my friend, is another picture here. As you see it here, what it done here when it's breaking for us that 200 moving average. As you see it, it went till here. Now he go back to test it again here, as you see it here in that zone. So let's wait and know what the market going to do, my friend. If it will go in upward or no. Need to make a close eye at the 4 hours. Only thing, if you want to enter here, you try to protect yourself if there is a major move down happening. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, my friend, in the 4 hours, as you see it, what our indicator here giving us. We are at the oversold area, my friend. As you see it. So If you want to enter from here and you aiming to take some profit here, you can enter now. As I told you, you always need to protect yourself if you're using the margin and leverage. Everything is too clear, my friend? So let's go in now to the DXY to explain to you what US dollar index doing, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, because the US dollar index is the major market move those days. So let's go into it and see. Here we are, my friend, at the DXY Marketwatch or US dollar currency index. As you see it, that one here, we said we got here a level and the market tried to reject there. Let's zoom it to see the picture more clear, my friend, for everything to be more clear. As you see it, my friend, here, what it's showing us, it came that red candle, it came today that pin bar, as you see it at that level. So I think we are going to head for another going down, maybe to that level here, or maybe to that one down here. So make a close attention to those things, my friend. By the way, to know how to withdraw in those things, you can join our course. The course is in the first command. It's going to teach you everything about technical analysis, how to draw supply demand, how to read candlesticks, how to draw trend lines, how to spot if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Everything is in that course, my friend. And here in the DXY, my friend, or US dollar index, as you see it, all those candles here, and also here we are in daily, my friend. As you see them, what US dollar been doing all those days, it been going very, very, very straight. Let's calculate in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. It's been going straight away up. That 6 days, then it came one day here as a resting, like how it's happening here. So you need to make a close attention at those things, my friend. Yeah, maybe it's going to make a small correction till here, maybe to touch that trend line. But let's wait in at that level, my friend, what's going to happen. And let's wait in the news, which is coming tomorrow and after tomorrow. So you need to make a close attention at those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go to lower time frames to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, is the same thing as I tell it to you before. He tried to give you here like a W or a M, or try to give you here as a small triangle like that. You can even draw it like that. I'm talking here about the DXY, not a Bitcoin, my friend. So if it's going to drop, it just came here. You calculating where the candle going to break. I think it's going to go till the 200 moving average here at the 4 hours. If it's breaking for you up, it's going up, my friend. So make a close attention at those things and don't forget about the news, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying about that one, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's showing here us we are at the overbought area, my friend. So you need to make a close attention at it, my friend. It's not 100% that indicator, my friend. It gives you sometimes good signals, sometimes fake signals. So that's why I told you every time you need to use risk management. So for don't lose all your account, and that trading, my friend, is a probability game. No matter what you're doing, if you're doing technical analysis, if you're doing fundamental analysis, sentiment, anything, it's working like that. It's a probability game. There is no one winning every time. Sometimes you are winning, sometimes you are losing. That's the power of trading, my friend. So as you see, my friend, here it gives you a fake signal, here it gives you a fake signal, but here it gives you a good signal. So it's like that trading, my friend. So now it gives you here a signal that one is going to fall down, but let's wait and see tomorrow what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now it's going back to the Bitcoin to analyze for you down in 4 hours, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, what the Bitcoin here giving us, as I told you, that zone here, that one here, it holds for us the Bitcoin for some time. It doesn't let it to fall down very sharp. But now what the Bitcoin here giving us, if you see, my friend, here, it give you here a flag like that. So you calculating from here. So if it's breaking, it's going to fall down till here, my friend, till that level of 19,462.47, my friend. I think that's where it's going to go. Us, we enter from here, and here we take some profit, my friend, and that's very good. Let's see how much you make if you enter with us. From here till here, you make 3% of your account. How going to give you 3% in your account, my friend, depending on how much is it your account. That is up to you. And here, as you see it, my friend, the Bitcoin is down in that 200 moving average. So that's meant also we are in a downtrend. So now, as I told you, we got here that channel or that triangle like that. So you need to make a close attention to it, my friend. What the market going to do? And here down, we got that long term trend, that one, or that channel. Because we've been following for some time, my friend. And the levels we got, my friend, draw it to you before. And I told you that level here, that one, if the Bitcoin break it, we're going to see the Bitcoin at 10K. And remember my word, if that level here we got at 17K, between 17 till 19K, if the Bitcoin break it, that one, you're going to see the Bitcoin down at 10K, and that one, no one wants it, my friend. That one is going to be the disaster of this crypto market. So all the Bitcoin and the crypto investors, don't let Bitcoin to fall down in that level. All those ones, they saying they want to buy the Bitcoin from 10K. The Bitcoin, if it drop to 10K, the 200 moving average is going to be the target. So make a close attention at those things, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still showing here. We are at the oversold area. So we don't know if it's going to go upward or maybe it's going to fall down again. I'm going to update you tomorrow. So make a close attention at those things, my friend. Let's go in now to lower time frames to make what the market doing currently now. So let's go into 30 minutes, my friend, to see what is it there. Here, my friend, in 30 minutes, as you see, that channel of us here, us withdrawing before, it's still valid, the one with white. The market came to it, it touched it there, and look what happened now. The market, it fell down and touching for all the 200 moving average. And here I'll show you that one in the previous video, my friend. I'll show you the 200 moving average here, is trying to do like a arc down. So let's hope we are going to change the trend. But now, if you are in the market, close all your positions. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. I'm not talking about investors. Tomorrow it's coming very, very stronger news, my friend. It's coming the GDP of USA, or let's name it like that, the world GDP. I can name USA as the world, but that, how is it the reality? Then it's going to come after tomorrow that Jerome Powell is going to talk, my friend. So it's going to drive the market very, 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 very mad, my friend. So make a close attention at those things. Maybe that one is going to go back upward and to break for us. Let's wait and see. Now everything in front of you, my friend. Let's see our indicators for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it gives you here, being here at the overbought area. Now it's falling, and if we bring in something here like that, if you came from that zone here like that, and you came and you draw it like that, a trend line like that, my friend, as you see it, every time it touch it, then it bounce. So you need to go to your chart, the indicator, I give it to you, and you draw in a trend line like that. When it's going to touch it, you make a close eye at it, if it's going to break it down or no. And now is it at the 200 moving average? Let's see now what the market going to do, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.